Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm set up to make something. What is that something? The world may never know. Um, this is one of my homemade body scrubs that I like to use, and there's a lot of different variations that you can do with it, but this one we're going to keep pretty simple. I am going to talk to you about aloe because Christina wants to know about aloe. So my scrubs, because I have super sensitive skin, anyone who knows me knows that if you breathe on me, I'm going to break out. It's awesome. Fucking cool. So I have just regular granulated sugar. Let's see, this is hemp seed oil, which is actually made from cannabis sativa seed. It's cold pressed, which is awesome. This is vitamin E oil and some basic just extra virgin olive oil because it's awesome. And then back here I have some good scent stuff. So everything has a purpose and a reason. So the sugar obviously is going to be what actually exfoliates your skin. You should be doing that probably 2 to 3 times a week. Be nice to yourself. Your skin deserves it. Hemp seed oil is non-comedogenic. It moderates oil production. It's got GLA, which is really, really good for anti-inflammation. It stimulates new cell growth, helps atopic dermatitis, and it's anti-aging. And we're all getting old, so we need as much anti-aging as possible. The olive oil moisturizes without clogging pores. So again, non-comedogenic, which is awesome. It's got lots of omega-3s, which also the hemp seed oil has, which is anti-aging. It protects your skin from irritants. It's also an antimicrobial and it's anti-inflammatory. Good stuff. Vitamin E, a lot of people argue about, but it has some really good, well-known benefits. It fights free radicals, which is cancer, if you did not know. It heals wounds, it moisturizes, reduces itch, helps with eczema, psoriasis, and it actually helps to minimize scars. So I have 4 scars on my abdomen from my surgery, and my doctor actually recommended using that twice a day. So that's what this is. So I use that constantly. I put it on my feet this morning. I don't know if it's going to do me any good, but you know, we're hoping. Fingers crossed. My essential oils, I picked 2 mainly because I'm like, oh, they'll make me feel refreshed in the morning and I'll be all awake and maybe I'll want to fucking interact with people. Turns out that what I picked has some really good properties. So it's peppermint oil and it's orange citrus oil. So the peppermint brightens skin, controls oil, helps reduce irritation. Awesome. Orange is actually anti-inflammatory. It's antiseptic, so it's like a cleanser. It's got tons of vitamin C, which also helps produce collagen, helps with all sorts of other stuff, and it increases blood flow. So everything here is going to help heal your fucking skin. That's awesome. So I've got this little jar. This is what I normally keep in the shower because though all of this is really, really good for your face, you can use it on your whole person. So if you're shaving and you get those little red bumps, it's really, really good to help reduce some of that. So if you use this before you shave your legs or whatever it is you're going to shave, it'll help reduce that. And what I normally do once it's all mixed together and made, I rub it on whatever I'm actually utilizing. Like if I'm in the shower, I'm going to scrub it on my face and I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes because I want all of this to get in there and have its moment to just rest on my skin and let my skin absorb all of its awesomeness. So literally once you have all of this, it's just putting it all together. And it's going to look a little funny because you're going to have to work it a little bit to make sure that everything combines the way you want it to. Don't waste any of this stuff. It's all so good. I'm going to put links in here so you can actually see where I get everything because I know most of you are going, well, I know where to get olive oil and vitamin E, but where the fuck does somebody get cannabis hemp oil? Isn't that illegal? No. Buy it on Amazon. Oh, look at it. It's all so much goodness. And don't drop it. Cool. So I use essential oils for every aspect of my life because it's so good. And I just love it. Like right now I have my fall scents going, which I think is clove, frankincense, orange, and I think ginger in there and one other thing. And I don't remember what that other thing is. So essentially you just mix this all together and then you put it in your jar. If you're going to add anything else to it or you're going to let it sit around for a while, please add a preservative like polyphenol, or not polyphenol. What the fuck is that? Phenonip. There you go. That way you're protecting it because, you know, some of this stuff is food grade and you don't want it to fall apart. But I will go through this in less than a month, so it won't even have a chance to really get gross. So all of that, look at it. Look at it. It's just beautiful. That's lovely. That's lovely. I'm so proud of this. So I'm going to get that in the jar. The only other thing that I promised Christina I would talk about is how to use aloe, because she's got this massive aloe plant in her house. She doesn't know what to do with it. And aloe has a ton of great benefits. So you can use aloe to help heal wounds, to moisturize skin, to reduce redness. Oh, it's got so many good benefits. I don't keep it in the house because cats are extremely allergic to it. It's very toxic to cats. My cats are dumb. They will fucking eat anything. So I don't keep it in the house. But if you're going to add it to a moisturizer or you're going to add it to a scrub, you literally just add it. If you're using stuff that comes in a jar or in like a little bottle like this, you just add it like you would anything else. You can sub it out for stuff. There's so many different combos of what you can use for these scrubs. But aloe has a lot of really great uses. If you're gonna use it in like lotion for one of my lotion recipes or a lotion recipe that you just come across, don't add it while everything's hot. And I only say that just because I don't know how it's going to react to heat. Everything else you cook with. You really don't cook with aloe. Some of you may add it to smoothies and that's badass. That's probably really good for you. You may drink it. I have no idea. But you want to add it once everything's cooled off, and you just count it as one of your liquids. So if it's a little too thick, you just add something to thicken it up, like a little bit more shea butter. And that's all you do with it. It's really, really easy to work with. You can rub it right on stuff. You don't even have to add it to a lotion or a scrub, but it's an option. So this is what we have. Super good looking. I love it. Smells fucking phenomenal. For the essential oils, I used 15 drops of each, the peppermint and the orange. I'm going to put an entire recipe in the notes, so you'll have everything that I just included in this. And this is really, really good to help reduce your acne, to help if you have dry skin, if you have psoriasis, anything like that. So you can make stuff like this at home in a matter of minutes, and you don't even have to measure it. You can just listen to your Italian ancestors. We all have them. Just sprinkle until you feel good about it and just roll with it. And like, I can add more sugar to this because I still have room, but I don't think I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna leave it. So this is going to be my video for this. If you have questions, please ask. I want you guys to be taking care of your skin and doing things that are all natural. This jar had lotion in it from some company, and I just keep reusing it. I've had it for probably 2 years now, so be kind to our earth. Yeah, so let me know what you think. If you try it, let me know what you think. If you hate it, let me know what you think, because everybody's going to be different. So just check it out. Tell me what's good, what's not. Tell me if you want me to try something different, because I'm always willing to try stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. I am making another video in a little while that'll get posted in the next few days. It's going to be for my cracked chicken that you cook in a crock pot. So my whole house smells like bacon. I love it. So look out for that video and let me know what you guys want me to try. Have a great day.